What's up, guys? Today we have an iPhone XS Max that has a no touch issue. Let's power up. Okay, so phone is charging. It's taking in 0.9 amp, 1.4 amps, and the voltage is 4.8 volts. So the phone has no touch issue. Um, so we open the screen out, but screens look like it's like an aftermarket screen. Yeah, it's aftermarket screen. It's pretty thick. But anyhow, so this is the touch connector here. Basically, the phone is not responding to touch, so we can test it. We can look at the test. So we can test the touch connector here, and to see if that working fine. If that's fine, then it could be the screen. So let's go ahead and test the touch connector here. Let's unplug it. Okay. Let's go to microscope. Oops. And let's open up schematic and see what's going on. Let's go schematic. So we want to find the touch connector. I think it's over here. So this is a touch connector here. So this one we want to take a look at. Okay. So we want to zoom into that. So it's this way. So this is our touch connector here. Okay. So let's put our multimeter into demo. So we're going to test all the pins here. Here we go. Okay. So this way, that's right. Okay. So the first pin is ground. So the second pin we have to get a value 0.6. Oops. Okay, 0.6. We're getting 0.6. So the next one is 2. It's ground. Should get value there. Value there. Value there. Value there. 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 So this side is okay. Now let's go over this side. So OL, nothing there. Should be value there. 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 We got an OL here. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 6 pins here, we get no value. Let's go ahead and continue with the other ones. This one's fine. This one's fine. This one's fine. This one's fine. This one's ground, so that's fine. So 2, 4, 6, no value. Get 0. So 6 pin, what is the 6 pin? So 2, 4, 6. Oh, it's the racer, the same old connector. So it's only 1 pin. So let's see where this goes. Where does this one go to? So let's go over there. And let's go to the backboard here. But let's go, we want to see where it's connected to. So it goes to here. This pin here and this pin here. So usually the cause for this, usually there's a separation between the bottom board and the top board at this pin right here. So the best way to fix this is without opening the phone is basically to reflow it. So basically we're going to take out the board of the housing and put on a heater and let it run for about 10 minutes. So this pin and this pin should fuse together, and other pins, if there's problems, it should fuse together as well. Or it could be there's an issue with this pin and this pin as well. But if we put on the heater, it should fuse together after 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so we have taken the board out of the housing, so we put on the heater. So the basic is to this pin right here, we want to melt it together again. So we know at around this pin right here, this part right here is the top board and the bottom board. They're separated at that pin right there, at this location. So what we need to do is just put a weight on it, so to help. So we need to go this way. Yeah. So let's wait for about 10 minutes and then we can measure the pin again. Let's go see. So we put a little weight on it and it gives us a value. So basically it compressed the, when we put the weight on it, it compresses the top and the board and the pins, they're touching each other, So let's see, 2, 4, 6. So we have value 0.48. Let's see again. Should be this just ground. Okay. Six. Yep. Okay. So I think we're good. So let's wait for about 5 more minutes, and we can let it cool down, and we'll test it again. Okay, so we took out the board, it's cooled down, we put it back in the housing. Let's measure to see if that 6 pin is connecting. So 2, 4, 6. Yep, so it's connected at 0.391, which is good. So now let's test it and test it with a LCD screen. Okay, here goes nothing. So the phone is powering on. All right. As you can see, it's working now. Well, it's kind of frozen. Come on. Let's go emergency. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Phone's working fine, right? All right, guys. That was an easy fix. It's not always the case like this. Sometimes the board could be very damaged, and some of the pins can be broken off, and the board sometimes is bent as well, and it's not really easy to repair. But in this case, there was only one pin that was separate from the top and the bottom board, so we know it's pretty going to be easy repair, just a reflow, and the phone is working fine now. Well, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and hit the like button if you haven't done so. It helps us a lot to bring more content like this for you guys in the future. Bye for now.